Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and today I am working with the O levels mathematics. And today we have selected exercise 3A from the book D2. This is new syllabus of mathematics 7th edition, and we are working in Cambridge O levels mathematics. And this exercise 3A is about the quadratic expressions, addition and subtraction of the quadratic expressions, and expansion and the simplification of the quadratic expressions. So let's start exercise 3A. This is basic algebra. So we are going to start this exercise. So here we go. So exercise 3A from the big D2 new syllabus mathematics 7th edition. The first question is showing up on your screen. This is basic level questions. He says expand or simplify each of the following expressions. So here in the first part, you can see 6x squared plus 19 plus 9x squared minus 8. So the terms which have x squared, they will be added, subtracted with each other. And the terms which are only constants, they will be added and subtracted with each other. So let me show you. So here you can see I will bring this 6x squared plus 9x squared plus 19 minus 8, and that will be, when you add, you see like terms, the like terms are added, subtracted with each other. So the coefficients will be added or subtracted if they are subtracting. So it will become 6x squared plus 9x squared. It will become 15x squared and 19 minus 8, and that will be 11. So I hope you understand this question. And let's move to the next part. That's the question number 1, and it's B part. And let's see. So here we go. X squared plus 2x minus 7 minus bracket minus 11x squared, bracket close, minus 5x minus 1. So the rule is the same. We will try to bring the terms which have the x squared together, which have x, we will bring them together. And the constants, we will bring them together. So it will become x squared plus 2x minus 7. This minus minus will multiply with each other. It will become plus 11x squared minus 5x minus 1. X squared plus 11x squared plus 2x minus 5x minus 7 minus 1. So because these are like terms, they have x squared in it, so they will be added. The coefficients will be added. Its coefficient is 1, so 1 plus 11, that will be 12x squared plus 2x minus 5x, you will have minus 3x. Minus 7 minus 1, it will be minus 8. I have already checked these answers. So if I put a tick there, it means I have checked the answer from the book. C part, question number 1, it's C part. It says y plus bracket minus 3y squared bracket close plus 2 bracket y squared minus 6y bracket close. So you see this plus minus will become minus. This 2 will multiply with both the terms in this bracket. So a simple and straightforward C part. So here you can see y plus minus 3y squared plus this 2 will multiply with both these terms. So it will become 2y squared minus 2 will multiply with 6y, it will become 12y. So now I will arrange the same like terms, same terms, y and minus 12y, minus 3y squared plus 2y squared. Their coefficients will be added, subtracted. So 1 minus 12, it will be minus 11y, minus 3 plus 2, it will be minus 1y squared. I hope you understand. D part, it says 5x squared minus x minus bracket x squared minus 10x. So this minus will, when you will open this bracket, this minus will change the signs, because when minus will multiply here, it will become negative. When minus will multiply with this, it will become positive. So you see, it will be very easy. So here we go, question number 1, and it's D part. It says 5x squared minus x minus bracket x squared minus 10x. So it will be 5x squared minus x squared plus 10x. You see, the negative has changed the signs. Now the like terms will be together. So 5x squared minus x plus 10x. So 5 minus 1, it will be 4x squared, and minus 1 plus 10, it will be plus 9x. Hope you will understand this. And next question, E part. Here we have a bracket, and outside the bracket we have a negative. Then we have here plus 3x here minus 7x plus. When you will remove this bracket, the signs of the three terms here, they all will change because they have a negative outside that bracket. So you see here we have minus 4x squared minus 9x minus 2. The signs have changed. Plus 3x squared minus 7x plus 2. So it will become minus 4x squared and plus 3x squared. Like terms are together now. Minus 9x and minus 7x minus 2 and plus 2. So minus 4 plus 3, it will be minus 1x squared. Minus 9 and minus 9, it will be minus 16x. Minus 2 plus 2, they will be cancelled. The answer will be 0. So no need to write here. Hopefully you understand. F part. Same here, we have a negative outside that bracket. When you will remove this bracket, the signs will change. Here a 2 is outside the bracket. So when this 2 will multiply with each term. So this 2 will multiply with this, 2 will multiply with this, 2 will multiply with this. Okay. So let's see how I have solved it. So here we go. So when you will open that bracket, you will have minus 1 plus 7y plus 8y squared plus 2y squared minus 6y minus 2. So now we will arrange the like terms together. So we will have 8y squared plus 2y squared plus 7y minus 6y minus 1 minus 2. So it will be 10y squared plus y minus 3. So hopefully you understand how this is done. So let's move to the next question. The next question will be the question number 2. So my dear students, we are going to the next question. The next question is that we have a number and it's multiplying with a term which has a variable with it. So the coefficient will multiply with the coefficient. And if you multiply two variables and it's the same variable, their powers will be added. Their exponent means the power. For example, the power here is 1. Find each of the following products. Product means to multiply. Okay, so 12 multiply 5x, it will be, the coefficients will multiply with each other and the variable will remain as it is because there is only one variable. So it will be 60x. So it will become 60x. So here you see x will multiply with the 6x, its coefficient is 1, 1 multiplied 6 will be 6. X raised to power 1 multiply with x raised to power 1, their powers will be added. So the powers, we will have 6x squared. Now, the next part is, let me show you. Here we have minus 2x, that is multiplying with the 8x, minus 2 multiplied with the 8, it will be minus 16, and x raised to power 1 multiplied with x raised to power 1, and it will become x squared. So you will have minus 16x squared. Hopefully you understand. So my dear students, next part, D, question number 2, part D, that's minus 3x multiplied with the minus 10x. So these numbers, these coefficients, they will multiply with each other. Minus 3 multiply with minus 10, it will be 30. And when x raised to power 1 will multiply with x raised to power 1, the powers will be added. So you will have minus 3 multiplied minus 10, it will be plus 30, x multiplied with x, that will be x squared. So that was question number 2. I have already checked the answers, so they are good. There's no problem. So next question. He says, expand each of the following expressions. So here we have to expand, and here you can see a number is multiplied with this bracket. The rule is that it will multiply with both the terms here. And the term means that the portions which are separated from each other by a plus sign or a minus sign. So let's start the first part, and here we go. Question number 3a part. This 4 will multiply with both these terms, so you will have 12x plus 16. The next part is the b part, and in the b part, you see this minus 6 will multiply with both these terms, and you have to take care of the signs. So minus 6 multiplied with the minus 7x, that will be 42x, minus will become plus. Minus 6 multiplied with the minus 3, it will become plus 18. So this is how it is done. Okay, so the next question, sorry. The next question is the C part. Here we have 8 multiplying with that bracket. So 8 will multiply with this term and 8 will multiply with this term. So you will have minus 8x and minus 24. Okay. Now minus 2 will multiply with this bracket. Okay, very easy. So you will have minus 2 multiply with the 5, minus 10x, minus 2 multiply with minus 1. It will be plus 2. Then we have the next thing. It is E part, the 5x. Now we have x also here. So when x and x will multiply, the powers will be added. The coefficients will multiply with the coefficients. And let's see, here we have. So 5x multiplied with the 3x, it will give you 15x squared. The powers of these two variables are added. So 5x multiplied with minus 4, it will be minus 20x. Next is minus 8x multiplied with the 3x plus 5. And here we go. So it will become minus 24x squared minus 40x. This negative has changed the signs. Hopefully you are understanding. Okay, now this minus 5x will multiply with this bracket. So let's do this. So it will become minus 10x and minus minus will be plus 5x multiplied with 3x. That will be 15x squared. Then we have the h part, and h part says minus x multiplied with this bracket. So there's a negative outside. So here you go. So minus minus will be plus, x multiplied x will be x squared. Minus x minus 1, it will become plus x. Hopefully you understand. So we are going to the next question. The next question is expand and simplify each of the following expressions. Okay. So now you have 4 bracket 2a plus 3 plus 5 bracket. So this 4 will multiply with this bracket, both the terms. This 5 will multiply with both these terms, this plus 5. And then we will simplify them. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so this 4 will multiply with this, the 4 will multiply with this, the 5 will multiply here, the 5 will multiply with this term. So you will have 8a plus 12 plus 5a plus 15. Now we will arrange them. We have to simplify it. So 8a plus 5a, 12 plus 15, the like terms have been brought together. So it will become 13a plus 27. Okay, the next part, B part. Okay, so here we go. So this 9 will multiply with both these terms, as this 3 will multiply with both these terms. So you will have 45 minus 18b plus 18 minus 15b. Now we will arrange the like terms. 45 plus 18 minus 18b minus 15b. 45 plus 18 is 63. And minus 18 minus 15, it is minus 33b. Hopefully you understand. The C part. Okay, so now we will do the C part. So here we have this C will multiply with both these terms. This 2C will multiply with both these terms. So you will have 3C square, C, 2C square, plus 2C square, and plus 6C. Now we will arrange the like terms together. So 3C square plus 2C square plus 3 plus 6C. So their coefficients will be added. So you will have 5C square. Their coefficients will be added. 1C plus 6C, that will be 7C. So that was question number 4 and C part. Now we are going to the D part. He says 6D bracket 5D minus 4 bracket close plus 2D bracket 3D minus 2 bracket close. Okay, so very simple question. I hope now you understand. Now 6D will multiply both these terms, and this 2D plus 2D will multiply both these terms. So when these two will multiply, you will have 30D square. When this and this will multiply, you will have minus 24D. When this plus 2D will multiply with the 3D, you get 6D square. When this 2D will multiply with the minus 2, you will get minus 4D. Now you will have 30D square plus 6D square minus 24D minus 6D. We arrange them. And you will add them 30 plus 6 because they are like terms. That will become 36D square. Minus 24 minus 4, it will become minus 28D. I hope you understand. Okay, so the next question is question number 5. He says, expand each of the following expressions. Here are the two brackets which are multiplying with each other. The rule is this first member of the first bracket will multiply with all the members of the second bracket. Then this second member of the first bracket will multiply with this all the members of the second bracket. Let me show you how this is done. Now you see this x will multiply with this second bracket, then plus 3 will multiply with the second bracket. You can see I written this here. So now you will x and x squared, x multiply with the 7 will be plus 7x, plus 3 will multiply with the x, that will be plus 3x, and plus 3 multiplies 7, that will be plus 21. Arrange the like terms, they are already arranged, x squared, 7x plus 3x, that is 10x and 21. So this is the simplified form. Hope you understand. The B part of the question number 5, 4x plus 1 in one bracket and the other bracket is 3x plus 5. The rule is the same. You have to expand this expression. So this will multiply with both these members. Then this plus 1 will multiply with both these members. So let's see how I have done this. So here, the first member 4x will multiply with this second bracket. Then plus 1 will multiply with the second bracket. So you will have 4x multiplied 3x, that will be 12x squared. 4x multiply with plus 5, that will be 20x. This plus 1 multiply with the 3x, that will be 3x. Plus 1 multiply with the 5 will be 5. So 12x squared, there's no like term like this. Okay, so 20x plus 3x, that will be 23x and plus 5. So this is how you will do this question. That's question number 5. Okay, so we are going to the intermediate level of this concept, and this is question number 6. He says, expand and simplify each of the following expressions. So it's the same. So this 7 will multiply with both these members, and this minus 4 will multiply with both these members, and you know, because this is negative, so when you will open this bracket, the signs will change, and this everywhere the same thing is happening. So let's start question number 6, and it's A part. Okay, so 7 will multiply with both these members, minus 4 will multiply both these members with both these members. So it will become 14a plus 7. This will become minus 32a, and this will become minus 12. So arrange the like terms together. So 14a minus 32a plus 7 minus 12. So it will be minus 18a, and it will be minus 5. Okay, so B part, this one is the B part. Okay, question number 6, B part. Sorry, this is the B part. Okay, so this 3 will multiply with both these members, and then this minus 2 will multiply both these with these both members. So you will have 6b minus 3 minus 10b plus 6 minus 2 minus 3. It will become plus 6. Arrange the like terms. 6b minus 10b and minus 3 plus 6. So you will have minus 4b plus 3. That was the B part. Now we are going to the C part. This one is the C part. You can see on your screen. So you will have 15c plus 3c square minus 6c square plus 14c. Because of this negative, the signs have changed. You can see that. Arrange them. 3c square minus 6c square plus 15c and plus 14c. 3 minus 6, it will be minus 3c square, and 15c plus 14c, it will be 29c. Hopefully you understand. So that was the C part. Now we are going to the D part. This is the D part. And here we go. So it will be 6d square minus 10d minus 2d plus d square. Because of this negative, the signs have changed. You can see that. Now arrange them. 6d square plus d square minus 10d minus 2d. So add their coefficients. This is 6 and this is 1. So that will become 7d square minus 10 minus 2. It will become minus 12d. Hopefully you understand. So the next part is E part. That's showing up on your screen. So let's solve it. Okay. So this minus f, when it will multiply, the signs It will multiply with both these terms, and the signs, they will change. This 4f will multiply with both these terms. So here we go, minus 9f plus 2f square plus 4f square minus 32f. So arrange the like terms. 2f square plus 4f square minus 9f minus 32f. So add the coefficients. It will become 6f square minus 41f. So that's question number 6, and it's E part. Okay. So we are going to the next question, the F part, that is showing up on your screen. It says minus 2h and plus bracket 3 plus 4h bracket close minus 5h bracket h minus 1. So very simple. So we can do that. Let me show you. Here we have negative, so the signs will change. Here we have negative, the signs will change. So when these two will multiply, you will get minus 6h, and minus 2h multiply with the 4h, it will give you minus 8h square minus, from here you will have minus 5h square plus 5h. Arrange the like terms, you will have minus 8h square minus 5h square minus 6h plus 5h. So you will have add their coefficients because both of them are negative, so they will be added, but the sign will be the negative. So minus 8 minus 5, that's minus 13h square, minus 6 plus 5, it will minus 1h. Hopefully you understand. So the next question is question number 7. Here we go. It says expand each of the following. So you can see here, first question. So, okay. So we will do that question number 7. And so these two brackets are multiplying basically. So the first member here will multiply with this bracket, then this second member will multiply with this bracket. So you can see a bracket a minus 9 plus 1 bracket a minus 9. So it will become a square minus 9a plus a minus 9. So a square, it will minus 8a minus 9. Hopefully you understand. Here we go. So this will multiply. So you will have, this will multiply with this first second bracket, and then this will multiply with the second bracket. So you can see b bracket b plus 7 and minus 2 bracket b plus 7. So it will become b square plus 7b, and this negative will change the sign. So you will have minus 2b minus 14. So you will have b square plus, these can be solved, simplified. So it will be plus 5b minus 14. And then we have this bracket. Let me show you the questions also. Because so we are on the C part, and then we will do the D part, and then we will do the E part, and then we will do the F part without looking at this. Okay, in the C part, this first member will multiply with this second bracket, and this member will multiply with the second bracket. Then C bracket C minus 6 minus 5 bracket C minus 6. Okay, so it will become C square minus 6C. When this negative will multiply with these two members, their signs will change. You see minus 5C plus 30. So C square minus 6C minus 5C, it will become minus 11C and plus 30. And then we have the D part. It says 3D plus 1 in one bracket and 5 minus 2D in the other bracket. Both the brackets are multiplying. So the first member of this first bracket will multiply with the second bracket, and then plus 1 will multiply with the second bracket. So 3D bracket 5 minus 2D bracket close plus 1 multiply with the 5 minus 2D. So this will become 15D minus 6D square. This will become 5 minus 2D. So minus 6D square minus 5D, sorry, 15D minus 2D and plus 5. So it will become minus 6D square, and it will be plus 13D, sorry, plus 5. Hopefully you understand. Then we have the E part, and it says multiply these two brackets. So this member will multiply with the second bracket, then this member will multiply with the second bracket. So you will have 1 bracket 7f plus 6 bracket close minus f bracket 7f plus 6 bracket close. So you will have 7f plus 6. This negative will change the sign. So minus 7f square minus 6f. So arrange, and so minus 7f square plus 7f minus 6f plus 6. So you will have minus 7f square plus 7f minus 6f. It will be 1f plus 6. Hopefully you understand. Okay, so you will have this 4 minus 3h bracket 10 minus 9h. So you will have 4 bracket, the 4 will multiply with this bracket, and then 3h will multiply with this bracket. So you will have 40 minus 36h minus, here you will have 30h plus 27h square. So arrange it. 40 minus this, they have the same sign, so they will be added. So it will be minus 66h plus 27h square. So my dear students, we are done with the question number 7. So in this video, let's stop it here. Because I have a limitation of the Zoom, the software in which I am doing the recording. So I cannot go beyond 40 minutes. So today we have attempted the exercise 3A from the D2. This is New Syllabus Mathematics 7th edition. And we are learning to simplify the quadratic expressions, expand and simplify. Today we have attempted question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 in this video. So I will make another video, and then that video we will complete the question number 8 and the question number 9. So I hope that you have learned from this video. And if you have learned from this video, please subscribe my channel and also like this video. Share the link of this video onto your social media accounts like your Facebook, Twitter accounts, into your Instagram, and onto your Facebooks. That will be a great appreciation for me, for my work. So thank you very much, everyone, for taking out time and watching these videos. And if you are doing this, this shows that you want to improve your mathematics. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a good day. God bless you all.